Best offline music apps and players for iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First and the most easy and accessible music app for iPhone is Apple Music. It lets you download songs, albums, and playlists for online and offline playback. It is seamless iOS integration and it also supports Siri and has huge music catalog. The next for your iPhone is Spotify Premium. Spotify Premium lets you download your Spotify playlist for offline listening and is excellent discovery and has curated playlist. Make sure that in order to download you will require premium subscription. The next app is Offline Music Player MP3. You can download it from your app store and it allows you to import music from files, cloud drives, or Wi-Fi transfer. It plays MP3, FLAC, WAV, and M4A and more. It is best for free choice for your own music files. The next is Jet Audio HD Music Player. It is an offline player with advanced audio features and has customizable equalizer for better sound. The next is VOX MP3 and FLAC Music Player. This supports high resolution audio and is a gapless playback and allows you to use AirPlay support whenever required. The next music app for your iPhone is Ever Music. This syncs with your iCloud storage such as Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. You can download your music to device for offline play through this app. The next is Audio Mac. It is free and has streaming plus offline download facility for music labeled free by artists. It is great for indie and hip hop fans. So, these were a few best offline music apps and players for your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.